Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing abandonment of office or position. Under Article 238, abandonment of office or position is committed by any public officer who, before the acceptance of his resignation, shall abandon his office to the detriment of the public service. May 4 elements itong crime na ito. First, that the offender is holding a public office. Second, that he formally resigns from his office. Third, that his resignation has not yet been accepted. And fourth, that he abandons his office to the detriment of the public service. Itong crime na ito ay nagagawa ng isang public officer na gustong mag-resign. Nag-submit siya ng formal resignation. Yung resignation niya ay hindi pa tinanggap pero inabandona niya yung trabaho niya. Material dito yung acceptance. Ina-accept din naman talaga ang resignation dahil kung hindi pwedeng involuntary servitude ito. Kailangan lang hintayin yung acceptance para pwede mo nang hindi gawin yung trabaho mo. Ano naman yung mga circumstances na magpapataas sa penalty o yung tinatawag nating qualifying circumstances? The offense is qualified when the real motive of resignation is to evade the discharge of duties of preventing, prosecuting, or punishing any crime under Title I and Chapter 1 of Title III of Book 2 of the Revised Penal Code. Title I and Chapter 1 of Title III of Book 2 of the Revised Penal Code refer to the crimes of treason, conspiracy and proposal to commit treason, misprision of treason, espionage, inciting to war or giving motives for reprisal, violation of neutrality, correspondence with hostile country, flight to enemy country, piracy and mutiny, rebellion, coup d'etat, conspiracy and proposal to commit coup d'etat, disloyalty of public office, inciting to rebellion, sedition, conspiracy to commit sedition, and inciting to sedition. Kung ang purpose ng pagre-resign mo ay to evade yung pag-discharge ng duty mo to prevent, prosecute, or punish yung mga crimes na nabanggit, ang penalty mo ay mas mataas kumpara sa nag-resign lang na hindi hinintay yung acceptance. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.